My name is Adarva Pradeep. I study in class grade 2B. Today I am going to tell about national leaders. A for Ambedkar, B for Bhagat Singh, C for Chandrasekhar Azad, D for Dayananda Saraswati, E for Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar, F for Feroz Mehta, G for Gopal Krishna Gokhale, H for Hegdevar, I for Indira Gandhi, J for Jawaharlal Nehru, K for Kasturiba Gandhi, L for Lala Lajpati Rai, M for Mahatma Gandhi, N for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, O for Onage Obawa, P for Pandit Madan Mohan Malaviya, Q for Queen Lakshmi Bai, R for Rabindranath Tagore, S for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, T for Tandya Tope, U for Udham Singh, V for Vivekananda, W for Watervelu Nachiyar, X for Xavier B. Vastu Padake, Y for Yusuf Mahar Ali, Z for Zeenat Mahal, Bipin Chandrapal, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Senapati Bhagat, Chittaranjan Das, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Begum Hajirat Mahal, Kunwar Singh, Sukadev, Ram Prasad Biswal, Rajguru, Subramania Bharati, Subramania Siva, Tirupur Kumaran, Kamarajar, Vavu Sindhamaranar, Pulidevan, Marudu Pandiyar, Veerapandiya Kattabomman, Rajaji, B. Kakkan, Chembagaraman Pillai, Dadabhai Naoroji, Annipesan Ammayar, Anjali Ammal, E. V. Ramasamy, Muthuramalingam Devar, APJ Abdul Kalam, Sarojini Naidu, Vanjanathan, Thiru V. Kalyana Sundaranar, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bharati Dasan, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Neelakanta Brahmachari. Thank you.